Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about the Lenovo's ThinkBook Plus Gen 3. So friend, Lenovo has launched the ThinkBook Plus Gen 3 and friend features 120Hz 17.3-inch display. So friend, it's a 17.3-inch display, 120Hz, 16 gem 10 panel with a resolution of 3072 into 1440 resolution, which is as far as we know, and friend, the first of its kinds. And friend, then there is the tablet which measures 8-inch, although it's fairly low resolution at 1280 into 800, and friend, it comes with digital pen as Lenovo calls it, and designed for graphics words counter ratio of a software plugin that allows it to work with Pantone colors. And friends, CPU wise, we are looking at the brand new 12th generation Intel Core 8 series of CPUs, although no mention of the exact CPUs was offered. And friends, there is a support for up to 32 GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 2 TB of storage. And friends, sadly, graphics are limited to the Intel Iris Xe GPU, which means it might not be ideal notebook for the some time of the it works it intended for. And when the connectivity consists of Thunderbolt 4 port, one USB Type C port with DP and PD support, two USB Type A ports, and HDMI port, combo headset jack, most of which are located around the back of the notebook. And friend, there is of course also support for Wi-Fi 6E as well. And friend, Lenovo supplies a 100-watt USB Type C charger with the ThinkBook Plus Gen 3. And friend, the 69-hour battery is said to be good for up to 8 hours of usage. And friend, due to its rather large size dual displays, you are looking at the lugging around 2 kgs of notebook. If you consider getting the ThinkBook Plus Gen 3 when it's launched, it may for around $1,399. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.